Hello everybody, this here is a video on the updated design of my DIY gun vise. This here is the old gun vise, and right here is the new one. Just slightly improved in what I think is every single way possible. There's nothing wrong with the old one, I really liked it, I used it for several months, but I just found little things that annoyed me here and there. And without further ado, I'm going to go through each of the features I changed. They're all really subtle changes, and let's get to it. Change number 1 is a lack of this funny loop now. The new design here has soft pad, and a soft pad on all 3 surfaces, and it works great. Change number 2 is a reduce in height of the jaws. As you can see here, the new jaws are about 1 inch lower than the old ones. I just didn't see the need for such a tall jaw anymore, so I reduced it. It reduces the print time and reduces the amount of plastic used, and it's actually more rigid and durable. Change number 3 is the tightening knob. Gone is the old tiny little tightening knob, and in is this new 4-prong knob. Makes it a whole lot easier to open and close the jaws. I really like this change. And the last change is the knobs on the feet are a lot lower profile, less plastic, less print time, better for everybody. That's it everybody. Comment, like, share, and subscribe, and be sure to check out the rest of the content on my channel.